The quickest way to identify the slope and the y-intercept of a linear equation like this, meaning x is to the first power, y is the first power, and they're separated. The quickest way is to put it in y equals mx plus b form. So I'm going to subtract this x over 5 term from both sides. Okay, because that gets rid of it over here, and over here that's y over 4 equals 3 minus x over 5. I'm closer to getting getting y by itself. Now to finish getting y by itself, I'm going to multiply every number by 4 to get rid of the 4 in the denominator. Just don't forget to do 4 times 3 to make 12. And then 4 times this is going to give me 4x over 5. And now that y is by itself, now we can quickly identify the slope and the y-intercept. The slope is negative 4/5. And the reason for that is because there's a negative sign in front of it, and the slope is always the number that's attached to the x, the coefficient of x. So that's the slope. This is the y-intercept, positive 12. And then if we got to graph it, I just made up these numbers, so that's why it's kind of ugly, but it's all the way, it starts at y equals 12. That's what the y-intercept tells us. In other words, if you plug in x equals 0, 0 times this whole fraction is going to give you 0. You're going to get y equals 12 as a coordinate. So 12 is the y-intercept. And then a slope of negative 4/5 means we need to count down 4 units and to the right 5 units from our starting dot. So I went down 4 to the right 5, put a dot. Go down 4 to the right 5, put a dot. You should have a straight line. And now we've graphed the line. What else was I going to say? I can't remember. Must not be important.